Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover unpaid debts with Credit Karma, full guide step by step clearly. To recover unpaid debts using Credit Karma, start by creating an account if you don't already have one. Visit the Credit Karma website or download the app on your device. Sign up using your email address and create a secure password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the credit scores section of your dashboard. Check your credit report for any outstanding debts listed. Identify the specific accounts that show unpaid balances. Make a note of the creditors and the amounts owed. Research contact information for each creditor if it's not already available in your report. Prepare to contact each creditor by gathering relevant documents, including any communication you've had regarding the debt. When reaching out, explain your intention to settle or make payments on the unpaid debt. Discuss potential repayment options. Many creditors may be willing to negotiate. Keep a record of all conversations and agreements for future reference. If applicable, inquire about payment plans that might ease your financial burden. Regularly follow up with creditors if you don't receive prompt responses. Once an agreement is reached, ensure you receive written confirmation detailing the terms. After you settle the debt, monitor your credit report through Credit Karma to ensure updates are reflected. Be proactive and stay engaged with your finances to prevent future unpaid debts. Consider setting up reminders for future payments to maintain your credit health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.